Okay, FM 101.7.
Na yenko osanyini major ya Boachijan. Na yene papa entwetwe enkomo na 15th May 1979 asemwesi wa Ghana ha ema yesi ku bi bai ku no kura na eba ye no entimi anye yie ye kwachi mampenda da ro ni situ mu enum ne ade na osanyini major Boachijan na papa ene di animu ye ne na entwetwe enkomo osanyini me moache
mejoso
on pombo ko die
oh nyamna do ye konko
na May 15, 1979. Sabre no na wei the die nkomo enna ye kaka ya dwene mfie ba aduanan nie woni ye beche
ai say the history bit me no aka want
oh how about me aka want
say close secret but they say the open secret
oh okay
this a question be out
aha papa sabre no May 15, 1979 na wo man no aye nhihye ya ye bekọ abatoɔ mu na eba ne sendie be na asie na ahia se mo ke kam ho asojafo a na mudi sa uprising enim.
You see na ye Ghana independent 57 you civilian regimes mmienu a na-edi ka Kwame Nkrumah ne Buzia asojafo ya yego wedi popopo a maomo entimi antrasi anche anshose ade obi kana ye magana endi ye sojafo no came to conclusion that the Free Africa movement say the sojani akot atu civilian government not to secure. What do you mean cancel of Quaco trial? So, in the here, Soja versus Soja, and say, in the Free Africa movement. Free Africa movement, na ye pioneers, sadly, na ye ma elected, constitutionally elected government and society in Africa. And then they high. If you want to show examples, see, actual constitution must say, we are sad and our course of high treason punishable on conviction by death for there. Now, Obukoye na or hand over no more fat salaries, retirement benefits here. Now, just the constitution is not worth what is written on.
Na batai osayine so na be ya adwene se nipa bi ti se free fam na under the 1969 constitution no more indemnity.
No me then.
No more indemnity.
24 February and no more two aban coming from aban and you una nyanes man a coup, there are two types of coup: counter coup against the system military regime or anti-constitution coup directed at an elected civilian regime. So the one against civilian regime is illegal. Criminal Code 1960 Amaki to section 12 is clear. So many other things. Inti eba se na aye adini nye Ghana lo Nigeria, Togo, Babia we asa no akwete Liberia no akoyeku na chocha ona mekano. We wanted to set an example. And we set up a movement in the armed forces called Free Africa Movement led by me. And on the 10th May, no 15th, and a man, madam, for people don't know Sir Rollins. They didn't know when I'm going for a man. I was the best man at the wedding. So, and we were very close. Oba said, time has come for us to move. I said, move to do what?
Abani,
I'm saving.
Hey, Papa.
Yes.
Ansa ne beto aso no 1969 constitution no sana transitional provisions bi wo section 13 ho a na indemnify wo mu
na wako e bone wie na also wo mandevri ho a se wo na ye yes ye so e nyina account ye cool no you for you wait I got 2 weeks 3 weeks time I'll come and explain all that because there are dangerous gaps in the knowledge of some of you so na make am because wako ye cool which is illegal now what started say why indemnify ho a unu ho asra say na wa na how I don't know make am
ba sa mra de mra o
e de ho amra ye mra no aye vote bo no e superior to ade a wo okonfo wo wi ya no wi ase mix bigitetundi man every van ho ne am pe na me yo mra it's not in that constitution criminal code doesn't allow you wouldn't mean they can't do it so on americano it is one of the reasons now you're prepared to clean them and enforce the restoration of the constitution. There's a difference between free transfer. What side they prefer? One can only one out identify. We would indemnify.
Mono 1979 constitution so indemnify more mudi sa uprising anymore.
We didn't need to indemnify ourselves against any crime because we are committing a crime. Our constitution, if we go and look at the current constitution, it's stated there clearly. Say what to me, we could two abaya ya vote a man now fuck a support. Okay, tie. Now the one who are uncommitted crime is there. Maybe I can say what current constitution is there and it's codified from Criminal Code 1960 basis say. And the end no I two abaya I say you for unlawful no I did mark criminal regime. Young committee crime be any indemnity clause. Oh. It is a man 40 years here. You see, and the 10th May no but catch them saying go and say the time na so and here kwa na unyai na will meet the Central Committee of the Free African Movement will meet and take a decision. 15th May and the 42 at papa akoi I decided to say kwa yiku hey me yakojem
yeah Papa Rollins.
Yeah, I wasn't part of it. First time I heard about it is Suleiman Akochino Air Force Station. So now Debbie Obia on the 15th, 14th, I was the duty officer for 5 battalion, the only fighting unit in Accra. And you know I calculated who say me pombe 7 o'clock.
Hey Rollins.
And me na me duty officer 5 battalion, the only fighting unit in Accra. Yeah, I could have resisted him or supported him, and the 10-15 me could have succeeded. And me one kind of them, you know, ena ye pon ena me ma me cast na me call me barracks. Me ko she barracks na me ma cast na me ko achi to my fiance's flat. Mohane de say yaba say.
Na oba wa no wa Chimote school.
Oh, you know, they were from 4 when I was in lower 6. And the two of them. So, 80, part as an aside, part of the condition to be a member of Free Africa Movement is you must go native in marriage. You should avoid marrying from your own tribe.
Oh, sir!
Oh, yes. I'm not going to talk about the social game. Come on. Already, no crowd, no crowd anymore, another co the Brunia town.
I did not go on and say, Swedish girl, no, so open.
Baby. The Swiss schools not a one Nima Hall. Not teach you how also not David. And you can't be a member of the movement, which I will lead it. Ain't he? Yet, also no one near the brother. And I said, Nana could do Namushi show. I should go. That story will be told later. Also, a problem. Or consider as why. Intimidate a military doctor can die. Any goodies happen between him and the family. And I just say, Omoma Ekwana, because Nana Kwerumano, me best man. She said, I engineered the whole thing, re-engineered it.
It's my problem one I could solve with, and I was a best man.
Yes. Opa, woman deny. So, ain't he? Obaka so 10th May, and application said, look, don't try, we are not ready to move at this time. In this way, we cannot food that. Don't go there. And one plane up to walk away.
Baba, where do you go? Young trains about could be all can't say, and go for fees, where Jimmy when you mean. Oh,
and I said, my counsel, but only me, or your name, I'm on full fees, or it's too rash or minute horn. It's not like that. Very smart guy. Eh? So, ain't he made a day as Uta could do anyway in America? Anamiwa.
No correct.
Okoye na je say yes sentence no. There's no way Obasanjo send a letter from Nigeria. Amidu or then the CDS. So omunya sa try and kwasi try Nigeria do omunya sa no munku execute immediately.
Rallies.
Oh yes.
Obasanjo yai.
Oh yeah, it was the same one so a military ruler of Nigeria at that time.
No, I'm saying Kum Rallies.
Straight away, then stop trying and now we are all round up. Enough for no name conform ye a series of execution. Yes, sir. Only problem ever. Now I'm saying you Martin. So we have to actually be pushed to rescue him and rescue the movement. Oh, maybe my history say be one for the 15th May no. The underground movement, the Free Africa movement, the sanction here. He went out of step to do it. And so say yeah, consequences so he forced our hand, literally, to move ahead of schedule.
It's not just a can you June 4th no Kwana Kamobe, but I'm see a chin intino. Nessa Mutimi Mua Koyino.
Yes, sir. Let say I was military intelligence from military intelligence to 5 battalion.
Okay.
Until later, no call ya more processing, and I'm a source of holding a breme. Copy breme. I panic. I mean, then you're using those days. One Americano. So, partly for self-preservation, we have very self-preservation, and the beliefs are there now, and also correct in Of course, we reacted the way we reacted. But I think my specific day and times I be a movement, I be mature, a bit me as a lesson, not only in Ghana, but the whole of Africa. So it's a big project. So we had to quick attack, as we call it in the army. Say we're planning to fight, and I say, you can have a deliberate plan or quick attack. so we made a quick attack and did what we were planning to do anyway. The question of time in the change and a personality in the change. So this is what happened.
Oh, okay. Papa na Edientina. Yeah, can Ghana. Adie una edi animu na engineer bibi abade body as a rolling school.
Oh, na say ni de and hardware. Share a propaganda na man for me enemies are doing. Let me give you an example. Meneno ye adie no. I gave a constitutional structure. Nana Akufo-Addo papa. No a lawyer. Was a Supreme Court judge. And now only Asuya Fuikutu Kwame Nkrumah. And the chairman of Constitutional Committee. No, a constitution.
But I assign.
Ye.
A hini actual set one a or the then Chief Justice, and another Dan Akufo-Addo papa. And Asuya Fuikutu Kwame Nkrumah. Yentron baby.
Insurance. So me, from the records are there, archives are there. First appointment, our Moye and say, being constitutional chairman of the Constitutional Committee. Me work as a me work. NOA or draw 1969 Constitution to suit him to end home ceremonial head of state and Busia executive prime minister. So it was the two, in constitutional law, they call it bicephalous arrangement. So on Americano. It's all over the world. Anyway, like in Britain, the monarch is the head of state, but the elected prime minister is the executive head of state. Yeah? Of government. Until you issue such structure, the man, ceremonial head of state as a chairman, and I was executive head of government, official spokesperson, and the rest of it. I was running the country from Castle with some of the big legal players like Justice Amisa, George Bennett, Kusubedu, Kwame Afre. They were all part of the team, civilian constitutionals, commissioners that we inherited. So, man. And then President Michel said, when it suits them, they use it. And then the same arrangement, I mean, you should, Buziane, Akufo-Addo, Papa, yeah, and the Yankan wants him. Namely, because used to be as a Makoye could their movie. I
near the Biam say, now then, and you cool. Buzia, or cause their election, yet to about Akufo-Addo, Paso. Yet about what so. I want to be sad you.
On one is at him. I was then a journalist. Don't give him that credit. I was he was not. He was a Supreme Court judge. And when I saw your phone, could to come me Aram Bonsanum, a cool no by Ben. So, Buzia no cook ceremonial head of state, you know. Then when you say, on the quay the man, and I want to make no. Obian can hold it. Maybe the Makoye could not say, Madame Funam said a book with the Atavans, okay, crack it. Become a ceremonial head of state. That means me now won't it animal will be asked. I will run the country as a head of government. Now it's running the aircraft at the Yami.
Well, yeah, almost say, yeah, I'll be bringing and so we cook off and buy.
We. Mikofa and buy no. My hand over power. Me Johnny. So what's the problem? All they are saying is I should have sat on it. Or if they think I'm that good and your woman means I'm going to take over the country and run it properly. If that's what that's the assumption. I am so good that I still have unfinished business to do. Me work as a me. But if you more mind, sir. Oh, Papa, Uncle School. But you must work at the best of the democracy are matching beyond democracy, you know, say, oh, my, you cannot see and swap. Oh, we can't brand way, I don't know, without so no, can no. That to me, from classes to today, the best definition of constitutional democracy, the essence of it is change. Yeah? It is a mabano 4 months. My mom 4 months with 1 week to spare. My young man, you know, me qua. Say, una cobanaba. No, the same who we are. Instead of holding him to account, no. Now, I'm more trouble me.
Now, I don't want my. It's a 1 cool news. That's
what I mean. Count. May hand over 79. That's what I'm catching. That dangerous gas in some of you are knowledge. Some of you. By Wednesday, British Caledonia, and I had enrolled at University of London to do postgraduate course in war studies.
War studies?
So we handed over power on 24th September, Monday, which happened to be my birthday anyway. The Republic also, I handed over, I made sure I handed over my birthday for historical reasons.
Oh, wow.
So, but Wednesday, I flew to UK. So I wasn't here when the December happened.
Yeah. One of Fanama, and cannot power any demon in some maybe you.
Okay.
Somebody sent one of Fanama, power any demon in some maybe you.
Wow, what kind of logic is that? My governor will be end up. Now, who will blame me for it? I'm running here. Mammy who said, yeah. Me nente ya na me complain say, "Man for me feel good." Say, I'm the only one who can speak in this country. That's what it means. 40 years ago, the charges still at the bottom. I'm going to my Ghana. And then I say, everybody, say, woman, one go to come and say, I can't go to Abuja and can Miss Meeting like I said, Ghana is paradise. I don't know, you go na, maybe then there be any trouble.
Na papa mami go to adie bia na make ho asem se Ekufuado papa a ceremonial president in wo eto aba graphic Tuesday September 1st 1970 and our church say Ekufuado is president. Now the story by Ibn Kwaku and E.A. Boateng was say Mr. Justice Ekufuado, former Chief Justice of Ghana, was yesterday elected as the country's first president of the Second Republic. He beat his contestant, Dr. I.B. Asafo-Adjei, a former member of the Council of State, by 123 votes to 35 in a straight fight. Mr. Ekufuado was sworn in a few hours later at the State House.
The swearing in was not a national election.
Okay, national election, okay.
I'm talking about national election. He was not elected nationally.
Okay.
No, by popular vote.
Okay, Matthias.
And I want to make an
Matthias.
Within the MPP party political tradition, no bush one cancel elders no yes election and then any kids me found. But the fact is that the relationship between him and Professor Buziano the same structure and I adopt here in uniform. Only a ceremonial head of state and I was executive head of government.
Oh, the same in our adopt here.
So what did I do wrong? Yeah, also I'm people where I'm saying no chawo me mo munyebi. You know what Papa BC also a ceremonial head of state to Buzia. Buzia was an elected head of government.
At that time, maybe that was the practice, the constitutional practice.
Yeah, but you see, we are talking about structures, legitimacy of the structure. The relationship between a ceremonial head of state like the monarch of Britain and the elected prime minister is the same everywhere. Germany, we have it. France, we have it. On American, the only place in America need. Oh, it's not Donald Trump or go out of control. So, 80. I remember the Ghana for no, we should respect facts and historical evidence. Ebi nyani amini what is the nebi esida.
Na Papa, then nani Chama Rollins in tempted.
Oh, Nana, the facts are clear because Yekoye 79. And we sought advice, and because the only way to hold these people to account, and it's you used to call criminal code 1960 and constitution 1969 constitution. Sorry, criminal code 60. Say, ubia obi to abaya no you should suffer death. Nti execution mra. Enti me ko you can say me ko steady a me say. Why 81 December no? 4 o'clock African Service, Robin White. Go and check it out. BBC. I condemned it for December the same day. And put my books now and fought it until we return to constitutional rule 1992. So American. And this is not a picnic. Armed, illegal armed ruler. Also, and I can say you must know what the score is. So for 10 years, I battled him out until the handing over to police. Then a personal fight. It's a principal fight. Because the me and yes, I didn't know. I cannot defend June 4th today like I'm coming to do in my Ghanaian 40 years after. So the principle is the same.
Papa, sir, Mampenda that Rollins after some handy over no obetu lima aban egu biem 31st 1981.
Correct.
We any pa mo be fo aso se and also he must also be executed. Said mo ye a free fan money ade ade no.
Cratchit. I say pick up if do you have the current constitution at hand by you?
Me mama fabrem sisia.
My family signed by Rollins. What hanging home? Nyame na make home. Because the current constitution clearly states, so if you overthrow a constitutionally elected government, you are committed high treason, punishable by execution, public execution, no murder. It doesn't matter how long it takes, because crime has no time limit. You know that.
But he's indemnified by the Constitution, 1902 Constitution.
Indemnified by whom? I didn't indemnify him. And you have seen the American name. And I'm sure there are a lot of us who never indemnify him from that nonsense. Especially when you and me have used the same principle to hold other people to account. How do you indemnify yourself from that?
It can open pa there in spite of the whole constitution case and case ya hanging da.
Well, it's not me saying it. You see, Ghanaians have a funny way of misquoting you. I said the constitution I will draw and I wasn't part of it. Go and pick it up. Article 1, section 3 to 10. It's clear on it. He himself signed it. So he was signing his death warrant. That's why I say it's a walking illegality.
Hey.
I said, go and do me a favor, get a constitution and let's read it through so that Ghanaian will understand what I'm trying to talk about. If you are ahead of saying you sign that constitution into law, you cannot legalize something in the past and criminalize it in the future and decriminalize it in the past. It is not possible. A law is a law. So Nyamin American Oman was sign constitution to hang himself. So that if for some reason it cannot be enforced, well, that's not my problem. The problem for all Ghanaians, including you.
By appending his signature to that constitution or the 1902 constitution, the death warrant was say.
Why not? Because you see, once consult all legal experts, they will tell you, say, you cannot decriminalize an act that you criminalize in the future. You can't say, if you make what they might draw a line, wouldn't mean by me, my head. And then for the past, if you know my own American. The signing, he should not even have signed that constitution into law by himself. Giving an example of what we did in 1979 to use the same principle.
Hello, Baba.
And because our constitution 1992 needs to be amended, it has to be overhauled. It's an emergency constitution. We needed to do that to move away from that road into something else.
I don't need a friend emergency constitution because say one more to a boss in you.
Me catch us a meaning my constitutional law. The mean about constitution is for us. It's something that is more complicated than that. All I can say is for you to be part of a team that hold other soldiers to account for overthrowing a constitutional regime, you cannot excuse yourself from that criminal line. Now, a person hand over and you can't say you assume. So I'm a that's why that bogus constitution on that cross was allowed to stand.
Papa, nipa bi so a mudi mubo wo mutuo etise Major General Robert Ebenezer Abosokotai, former Chief of Defence Staff. One no ku no mo ye bi utuka oye ku ni bi.
You see, that's why I said that dangerous gaps in your knowledge about Ghana's history that I intend to correct during this uniform and the rest. 72 coup, continue up to the time we held them to account. Meboa.
Yeah.
It's a musical chair. There was no a civilian intel to be a elected government be after I can't put 2 Buziano. One elected Nantana, ye hold home to account. Was Kote elected?
No.
Was a people elected? So they were working illegal. Like I'm talking about running today. Oma Bumrano, only part of the two. I just will be a hostage sticker. No article hostage, no ordinance to a cynical. Now, so what Kofa Bible say, Pacho, Janana, Yanko won't buy a more. You don't do that. Or you could blow head away before you can even talk again. So you take a gun to remove a gun from office.
Now, Obadiah, it is said that who be a president, Ghana, constitutionally and duly elected president. Rollins Kabekuno.
Now, question is speculative. And you mean Namekuno? So if a group of people like Akufo-Addo has now decided to dismember the state of Ghana by his principles, under the excuse, people ask for them to do it. As a elected government, if a group of people come and say, "Oh, you present my UT regional," now, okay, now what committee crime? Nana,
it's you.
now what committee crime? So, if I were to be elected tomorrow, and a responsible group of people, organizations, comes to say, Nana, why you be paid? Or could you mind? So, about principle now used to do hold a Akufo-Addo and I say free farm to account. There's a unfinished job. Come and do it. We'll look at it and see what we can do. But I have no special interest in on making the path. On American, it has to be something that Ghanaians as a people ask for. Because the responsible president acts on the interest of the people as a whole. So when you're there, much sleeping dogs lie. I mean, that's the way. If you're happy with it, fair enough. I'm also perfectly happy with it.
Okay. Papa na ensambia na nama bonti means so obi what to be pay. Wa musio cool no June 4 cool no kura wan koye bi. Sa abre kura na akọ ge ho. And after that no one do over no na Rollins pace kapudu obi di man was gene kosua de bra.
Well, as my okay, we journalists. What truth is in it? Mr. Mema Kanchero say, I got admission to University of London, the primary university of the whole of England, War Studies Department, to do a postgraduate course on. My thesis was Locals at War 1939-45. United Nations Development Program, the sponsor at that course. That's what we say, Majania. What's the truth in it? Mama, more evidence. The British Airways of a British Caledonia and a free Ghana.
Hey, Sabine play pow.
Hey, share.
British Caledonia.
So now, who generate the airplane in Ghana?
What the number from an airport?
Nana, what you that? So, propaganda, black propaganda. Still, we are doing it in Ghana. That's what I caution about it. The name I come to see no CID in area, political police. It's not going to work in his interest. Let me restate my position here so that I'm not misunderstood. Here is a chairman of a duly registered political party, Kusambo, holds an open meeting in Kumasi to discuss affairs of the party. And they were attacked. Some even lost their lives. So he then withdraws and behind closed doors to figure out how to solve that problem and prevent it from happening again. Now, secretly, Marco bag meeting, which is illegal in the first place. Now, what the amount of fee say, for example, is a blood testing person, or me say you see. But where still? Now the case you court. Why the case is going on? A woman who's a woman to me and handle the evidence to support it. You know? Then they cook up a fresh evidence, allegation. Fair enough. In any competent court of jurisdiction, you know, a criminal procedure and it says, they will try a case if you don't have fresh evidence. You can go to the court and apply to add your evidence to it for it to be contested by the opposition or whoever is opposing the charge. You know. As at now, we don't know who is making the allegation.
Almost for reasons. For reasons, that person remains anonymous for the time being.
But that's where the injustice and the idiocy is about. Why didn't you allow the case to go to court to be tried properly? But you resort to media trial, blacken the name of the responsible person that has been elected, the chairman of the party, after the event had taken place. These people were abducted before he became a chairman. So, from what position did he organize the abduction?
Papa,
can you tell me? Yes.
Lest I forget, we'll be actually a question. Say, "Would you say, so we believe Rawlings na ideology? What 31st no? Then as I say, we are a member of the party. I want to found it."
I say, look, let me give you a human analogy. NDC was conceived June 4th, 2:30 a.m. when the first bullet went. Yeah? And then it went through all kinds of contortions and then it was born in 1992. That's why it takes two people. That's why I say I'm the father of the party and he's the mother. Are you with me?
You are the father and he's the mother.
I'm humble enough to admit to say he carried the party in his womb for 9 years. Human anatomy terms was so close to 9 months in real terms. On American. So we have a joint responsibility for NDC as our son.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that one nobody can do anything about it. So I hope that the questioner is satisfied.
Okay.
There's a project that started even long before June 4th. But the real concession is for about we'll call 1991 jolly answer. So American. But the actual process starts when you mount the woman and conceive the child. Even in Christian terms, conception is the most celebrated date in Jesus' history.
No, great.
So, in that respect, he takes responsibility, with joint responsibility for creating NDC. And that's why when it was, I came back and the MPP who asked me to just say, hey, I'm going back to pick up my make a link with my former wife and our baby to make sure that we do what we do that best. We rule this country and make everybody happy. So,
okay.
And it's not something that a choice that I made off the hook. I'm being responsible. I went back to the claim, something that I have started.
Oh, okay. Papa, medal was because you need to the June 4th, but near me for no one quite.
I will expect you there, so don't worry. You'll be on my list.
Oh, okay.
Of invited guests. All right?
Mate, na waponche no de owo ye na ade ne to sister ba no ho.
Oh yeah.
Aponche no. Ababiu aponche ababiu na.
Oh. Ababiu why? I hope so no cry bit my ma. One of these days you are invite you for a barbecue party.
Mate. Bye bye, Baba. Bye. Osahini Major Boachijan and I and N K101.7 Sunye. Enfia duanan pepe penye na Chairman Rawlings cool ba kwa ye said he edi nkomo no antimi anya wa mo chiri to mu 40 years on.